Hello everybody! Now, this is take 2 because the first time I started recording, I took a picture. Damn it. Anyway, I meant to be here much earlier, but dinner was late and I pretty much missed the best weather to do this in. I'm still gonna do some work at least, like right with this, the wonderful handsaw, and all of that wood will be sawed into more manageable pieces for the wood pile while I'm battling the severe trust issues that those are giving me. I am... it's also pretty windy. So, after, I don't know, maybe an hour or maybe 2 of sawing wood with my bare hands, well, and a saw. Look at this. That funny bastard is still here, but yeah, I need other tools to deal with that. But as you can see, the other wood is gone. Now, I will take you to where that wood now is. Through the tunnel right here. Into the main project that is still... Yeah, there is still a lot of work to be done. But while I'm here, take a look at those. Not a bad size. And I had feared that they would be not growing and like way too small. The Jerusalem artichokes are also growing like they're getting paid for it. I still need to weed out this area. But as you can see, the pumpkins are doing well. Oh, this right here is like the main hub for bumblebees, which are adorable. So I'm kind of hesitant to cut all that down, even though it is technically weeds. But oh well. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh. Well, for like a brief moment you saw a beautiful butterfly. That's the best you will get. Oh yeah. So this horrible path of stinging nettles galore. And I am so happy that this is not the burning kind of what's it called? I forget. It's really famous in America, I think. But you are never ever supposed to touch it, or you will be in horrible pain. Yeah, all of that needs to be gone as well at some point. Oh, here we have the different growth stages of something very healthy. The green ones are obviously not done yet, but eventually they will all turn that dark purple color. Super healthy if prepared well. And here is my makeshift wood storage, which, oh boy. I know, I need to set up something more professional. So, all the wood that I cut, there it is. Obviously I didn't cut all of this in 2 hours, especially not with my hand. But these ones, a little bit of that, yeah. Should be enough for like a 5-minute campfire. Well, this is everything for today. This is Mods, signing out. Hope hopefully I will see you next time. If you wish to see more gaming related content, then you can check me out over at Twitch at twitch.tv/mods_a_ton. See you there. Bye.